Hi everyone, this is Dave, and for today's video Huawei very kindly sent me over their MateBook 13 laptop so that I could unbox it for you in this very special sponsored video. Now this promises to be a super sleek design. I can't wait to check it out for myself, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. Wow, this is one seriously sleek design. We'll pop that to one side. Now, as well as the laptop, we do get a quick start guide. This is going to guide you through all the controls on the MateBook 13 and the initial setup and of course charging the laptop. We also get some accessories. This is a USB-C adapter and it gives you an additional USB-A port on this side, and then on the opposing side we get a USB-C port, VGA and also HDMI. We get a nice long USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and then we also get a 3-pin UK charger. This plugs into the wall. The opposing end plugs into the laptop with the supplied USB-C cable. This charger is very fast indeed. It will charge the MateBook 13, giving you up to 2.5 hours of additional use from just a 15-minute charge. It also doubles as a smartphone charger too. So to give you a quick recap, inside the box we get the Huawei MateBook 13 laptop itself, a USB-C adapter, and also a USB-C charging cable and the USB-C mains charger. So before we open this up for the first time, let's have a look at the design. So we've got a really nice lid to the laptop with the Huawei logo. This is slightly raised. That's a really nice luxury touch. On the back here we've got a hinge that goes the whole length of the laptop. On the base we've of course got some ventilation, some rubber feet, and then just down here we've got some speakers. I'll talk to you a little bit more about those in a short while. And then on this side of the laptop we've got the USB-C charging port. We've also got a 3.5mm audio jack and a little tiny pinhole microphone. And then on the opposing side we've got an additional USB-C port. So let's take a look inside for the first time. Wow, it looks really sleek. Such a nice looking laptop. Now we've got a full QWERTY keyboard here with chiclet style keys, a nice large trackpad, and also there's a one-touch power button in the top right just above the keyboard, which integrates a fingerprint sensor, so there's no need to mess around with passwords to unlock your laptop. The main speakers are here, located on the base of the laptop, and the whole system actually supports Dolby Atmos sound, which I cannot wait to experience. And just look at this gorgeous display. It's a 3:2 format ratio, which is very rare for a 16:9 laptop. The display also sports a 2K resolution, which looks amazing for viewing back videos and images. It also supports multi-touch. The whole package weighs in at just 1.28 kilograms, which is super light and ideal for carrying around. The Huawei MateBook 13 certainly is a very slimline offering, and I want you to check back soon on the Geekanoids channel where I'll be sharing a video detailing my top 5 features. In the meantime, please do check out the availability details down in the video description. Hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.